After a long time, I decided to paint an animal again. I haven't painted many oil animals paintings in my life, so I want to emphasize that with each painting I learn something new that I will apply to my future work. I used oil paints, except for a golden acrylic paint that I applied in the first layer. I sketched the owl with a pencil before recording and then proceeded to apply the color directly. I usually follow the 3-layer painting principle. The first layer is not an underpainting, but the direct application of color to the subject. The second layer involves adding more colors, and the final layer focuses on details and highlights. My idea was to create an artwork that embodies mystery. Lately, I've been influenced by Murakami. I read too much of him. That's why I chose a barn owl. Its mysterious look seemed perfect for the concept. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like button to show some love and support. It will help me a lot. Initially, I painted the background black, but during the process I realized that a white background is more suitable for the contrast between the subject and the background. It was my first time painting the background with oil paints, and I can tell you it took a very long time to dry depending on the thickness of the paint application. So I recommend working on something else in the meantime. The goal was to create a realistic owl but not hyper-realistic. Lately I want to infuse my works with my artistic expression, focusing on texture and lines. In the end, I added additional elements in golden color to introduce some subtle dynamic to the background. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments what you think of this painting.